Hello children, today let us know the chapter Plants are Friends. Have you seen plants? Yes, plants are all around us. We see them every day, right? Plants are of different sizes and shapes. Some plants are tall, some are short, some are strong, some are weak. So today let us know the different types of plants. Here in this picture you can see these are strong and tall plants. These are called trees. Yes, we can see a tree has got many branches. It is covered with leaves. Yes, a tree is a strong and tall plant. Yes, like in this picture we can see peepal tree, jammu tree and coconut tree. Next we have shrubs. Shrubs are shorter than the trees. They are not as tall as the trees. They also have many branches. They have woody branches, means we cannot break them with our bare hands. And they also have many leaves. In this picture we have rose, mehendi and cotton. Next comes herb. Herbs are shorter plants. They are having weak stems. Their stems are not very strong and we can break them easily. They are mostly the medicinal plants. Here we have mint, spinach and rice. Next comes climber. Climbers are weak plants. They need a support to climb upwards. Yes? And here in this picture we have pea plant and money plant. Most of us, we have this money plant in the house. Yes? Now the next type of plant is creeper. Creepers are plants, those who have weak stems. They creep along the ground and grow. They spread along the ground and grow like the bottle gourd. Now where do plants grow? Plants grow in land also and plants grow in water also. The plants which grow in water are called water plants, like the lotus. Lotus grows in water. Now what is this, children? This is cactus. Cactus mostly grow in desert. Plants give us many things, like we get seeds, roots, stems, leaves, fruits and nuts. We get rice from plants. This is a seed, okay? Rice is a staple food. We eat it every day. We get wheat. Wheat gives us atta. You make into roti or chapati. Yes? Then corn. From corn we get popcorn. We get cornflakes. Roots. We eat the roots like turnip, carrot. Carrot can be eaten raw also. It can be cooked and eaten also. Next we have sugarcane, as it is a stem, okay? And from sugarcane we get juice which we drink, and we get sugar also from sugarcane. Then we get potato. Potato is also a stem. Leaves. We eat cabbage and spinach. Next we have fruits. There are many fruits which we get from plants. Here it is apple and mango. You get many other fruits from plants. Nuts. You all like to eat walnut? Yes. We get it from plants. And peanuts. Yes? Now, plants give us fiber. Fiber, like we get cotton from cotton plant. Yes? Do you see this plant? This is a plant from where we get this cotton. Yes, when we get her, we use this type of cotton, right? Now this cotton is turned into a cloth which we use for making our dresses. From the plant we get, this is jute plant, and jute gives us rope. Jute is used to make sack and rug. Rug means mats. Now from plant we get wood also. Wood is used for many purposes, like we make doors, windows, we make pencil. The pencil which you use is made of wood, and wood comes from plants. Chair, table, Then firewood. Yes, firewood is used for cooking purposes and many other purposes too. Now plants give us paper, rubber and gum also. Yes, these are bamboo plants. We get paper from bamboo plants. Rubber. Yes, do you see this is a plant which gives us rubber. Rubber is used to make balls and tires and gloves. Now this is a plant from where we get gum. Gum is used for, like, you know what is the, like we use for pasting and all, we use gum, and this gum comes from plant only. Plant give us oil also. Yes, here you can see many packets and a container also of oil, and shampoo too. This is a shampoo container. We get it from plants only. Plants give us medicines like the neem plant. We use it for making toothpaste and many other medicines too. And tulsi. When someone has cough and all, we paste the leaves of tulsi or make syrup of this and we use it as medicine too. Then from plants we get beverages like coffee plant gives us coffee and tea plant gives us tea. From plant we get perfume also, like we make perfume from the rose plant and jasmine plant. So children, today we have seen that plants are our friends. They make the air fresh. They make the wall look beautiful. Yes, we decorate plants inside the house also. Why do we do that? To make the house look fresh and beautiful. And as we have seen the importance, how important they are to us, so we are not supposed to spoil them. We should try to grow as many plants as we can and should try to take care of the plants around us, and whatever plants we grow, we should take care of those plants too. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.